it's Brittany with Turtle Burger Crochet and Knitting. Today's video is a tutorial on how to crochet a foundation single crochet. You will need your yarn, your corresponding hook, and I recommend a stitch marker. To begin our foundation single crochet, we will start with a slip knot and chain 2. In our second chain from the hook, we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and pull up a loop. And if you kind of turn your work a little sideways, you will see this kind of V right here. That's where we want to put our stitch marker, right there through that. So continuing on, we're going to yarn over and pull through both loops on our hook, which completes our first foundation single crochet. To complete the next one, we'll kind of pull our stitch marker away a little bit, and you'll see that it's attached to this hole, and that's where we will insert our hook. We'll yarn over. Now we can remove our stitch marker to the next one. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. And that V, it will get easier to see as we go along, but that's where you will insert your stitch marker again. And that should be going through 2 loops. Okay, we'll yarn over and pull through both loops again. And now we have 2 foundation single crochets. We pull our stitch marker a little bit, and again we will see that hole it's attached to. We will put our crochet hook into that space, yarn over and pull up a loop. I'll remove that stitch marker. We'll yarn over again and pull up a loop. And again, that's where our stitch marker goes. Once you become comfortable with doing this quite a bit after lots of practice, you may feel comfortable enough to not use the stitch marker anymore. But there's no shame in needing it. I do it all the time. Yarn over again and complete the foundation single crochet. We now have 3. Again, you can pull your stitch marker a little to see where your hook is supposed to go into that space. Okay. And then you can remove your stitch marker. And I like to give my yarn a little tug after I do that to make sure that my stitch is going to be tight. Pull up a loop, pull up a loop again, and there's our space. Okay, now we will yarn over and complete that single crochet. Okay, and that is our foundation single crochet. I hope you found this video useful in learning to crochet a foundation single crochet. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.